Hi folks, here we go again. Show you another video of my trumpet vine in full bloom in July. Campus is the scientific word, I believe it is. I might be wrong, don't quote me on that. But as you can see, it is trailing over a fence. My neighbor's house is on the other side. Yeah, this thing is just really taking off. I'd say it's probably about 5 years old now, but it shoots off these little shoots down here of other vines, which is actually trailing the other fence. It's a beautiful plant. And I just thought I'd show everybody. The hummingbirds love this flower. Attracts hummingbirds. If I wasn't standing here right now, there'd probably be hummingbirds in it. And this thing, it'll just creep around and creep around. Alright. Thanks for viewing.